And the project today is to take this old windlass off and put this Lofrans windlass, which is an Italian brand and that's imported by Imtra there in New Bedford, in its place. And then it was a matter of just taking it all off, getting the bolts undone, and they all came out pretty easily. Then I thought I'd just give it a quick sand and put a coat of Semco on that teak area while I've got it all off. Then it was time to drill the holes, the new mount holes and the new holes for the chain, hole saw and all that good stuff. Then a matter of just putting the bolts through and tightening up the bolts from underneath, and the access was pretty good. So now I was ready for the wiring. So the next part of the project was to go down below under the bunk in the forepeak, and this is what was there: some old tired wiring and an old solenoid, time to be replaced. Get the gear out and take it apart. And then I'd taken the original Lofrans drawings and made some sketches for myself to make it nice and clear, and it also marked the new solenoid with blue tape to make sure that I didn't make any mistakes. And then putting the terminals on and then just crimping it with a pair of pliers. And then it was a matter of just heat shrinking them with a heat gun just to make sure they're completely waterproof. The larger cable, the Ord cage cable, I decided to do some soldering, and then with a flame put the solder on, and that gave it, I felt, a really nice joint. The next thing was to drill the holes for the foot switches up top, mark it out perfectly, and just mount them and seal them in. Here's the completed solenoid installation with all the wiring going up top. Here were the wires coming up top connecting to the motor on the windlass, and here we have the installed winch. Sure was a nice feeling to get it all done. So here are just 2 shots of the finished project, ready to go cruising.